Good morning, children. Class 10th. Let's continue trigonometry. Today we will do some extra questions of trigonometry. Let us discuss number 1. If 10a equal to 1 and 10b equal to root 3, then we have to evaluate cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b. How to do this? 10a is given to you 1. In trigonometric table, 1045 is 1. Here 10a, here 1045. We can remove 10 from both the sides. We will get a equal to 45. You can see. And similarly, 10b is root 3. In trigonometric table, 1060 is root 3. Again, 10 we can remove. B is 60. Now we have a is 45 and b is 60. Here we have to find out cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b. A is 45, B is 60, A is 45, B is 60. Now substitute the values. Cos A is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. By multiplying both of them, we are getting 1 by 2 root 2, and by multiplying both of them, we are getting root 3 upon 2 root 2. Let's take LCM. By taking LCM, we are getting 1 minus root 3 upon 2 root 2. As you know, we can't leave root 2 in the denominator. That's why we have to rationalize by root 2. By rationalizing it, we are getting 1 minus root 3 upon 2 root 2, multiply and divide by root 2. Root 2 into 1 is root 2, and root 2 into root 3 is root 6. And root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 to the 4. Hence, final answer is root 2 minus root 6 upon 4. Similarly, we will discuss more questions. Let us discuss. Next question is, if sine theta equal to cos theta, then we have to find out the value of 2 tan theta plus cos square theta. As we know, sine theta equal to cos theta given to us, let us divide both the sides by cos theta. It will become tan theta, it will become 1. And in trigonometric table, 1045 is 1. That's why 10 remove and theta is 45 degrees. Now here we have to find out the value of this expression, 2 tan theta plus cos square theta. Here theta is 45, theta is 45. Tan 45 is 1 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Square given to square. And by simplifying it, we are getting 5 by 2, which is called value of this expression. Now let us discuss more questions. And question is, if root 3 tan theta equal to 3 sin theta, then we have to find out the value of sin theta and sin square theta minus cos square theta. As it is given to you, root 3 tan theta equal to 3 tan theta, 3 sin theta. Let us divide both sides by 3 sin theta. By dividing it, we are getting 1 here. And tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. You can write this 3 as root 3 into root 3. This root 3 sin theta can be cancelled with this root 3 sin theta. And what is left? 1 upon root 3 cos theta. And here it is 1. 1 by root 3 as it is. And cos theta we have taken on the other side. As we know, cos theta is based upon hypotenuse, and it means 1 upon root 3 is based upon hypotenuse. B is 1, K, and H is root 3K because they are in the ratio. And by Pythagoras theorem, we can find out perpendicular. You can see here, P square plus B square equal to H square. Already you know, value of B is K and H is root 3K. By squaring, we are getting and replacing P square equal to 3K square minus K square. Subtract, we are subtracting both of them. And by subtracting, we are getting 2K square. Square root on both the sides. By taking square root, we are getting P, which is root 2K. Now we have P root 2K, B, K, H is root 3K. And we have to find out sin theta. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is root 2K and hypotenuse is root 3K. And by cancelling it, we are getting the value of sin theta, which is root 2 upon root 3. Here we have to find out the expression sin square theta minus cos square theta. We know sin theta is root 2 by root 3, which is here, and cos theta is b upon h, which is 1 by root 3. By simplifying it, we are getting 1 by root 3. In this way, we can solve trigonometric questions, and they are very important. You have to revise them again and again. Thank you so much. We will discuss more questions next time.